This is Robert Weber reporting from Scottsdale, Arizona. Welcome to today's session of the keynote script assignment. In today's session, we will go over the requirements and necessary elements to formulate a mobile marketing plan for pictureofnectar.com or PON. Our subject website for this exercise is pictureofnectar.com or PON, a distributor of craft beers and craft distillates located in the Southwest United States. Developing a mobile marketing plan for pictureofnectar.com requires an assessment of the current developments in mobile platform technology and the current status of PON's engagement in a mobile platform. Per Filetsky and Sherritt, mobile web adoption via smartphones and tablets is happening at a rate of 8 times faster than the original desktop revolution of the late 90s and early 2000s. 8 times faster. That would be equivalent to driving down the freeway at 520 miles per hour in a 65 mile per hour zone. Mobile content rules. In light of the cost effectiveness required by the PON management, a third-party service named Mobify will provide the necessary head tag code required to convert a desktop design to either a tablet view or a smartphone view on demand in real time in either a vertical or a landscape requested mode. The razor code to perform such an on-the-fly conversion resides in the script text document accompanying this keynote script assignment. See Exhibit A. A direct URL link to download a copy of the keynote script text document from the Google Docs server form will follow at the end of this presentation. Shown in this slide is the horizontal emulation of the prototype Social Media Marketing Skills Center homepage using a Samsung Galaxy 3 smartphone via the Opera emulator. Our proposal is to perform the same code enhancement for the m.pictureofnectar.com mobile offering. And here is a snap of the same website in vertical mode using the Samsung Galaxy 3 smartphone platform as a guide. As you can see, the PON m.website index page will have to be rewritten to accommodate the smaller features of smartphones and other mobile tablet platforms. Additional enhancement to the PON weblog index page can be performed via the WordPress dashboard upon conversion of the PON weblog to a WordPress format. The WordPress weblog platform is automatically convertible to a mobile framework upon sensing the device requesting access to the content. Shown here is the proposed cap of the right-hand column of the weblog that includes a call to action to follow the Social Media Marketing Skills Center weblog via RSS delivery using the Feedly RSS reader, a link to the author of the specific weblog's biography page, 5 social media buttons, namely Twitter, Google, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook, that allow the end user the capability to instantly share the post over the internet, and a local search bar to allow the end user to search the PON blog for specific keywords and keyword phrases. Finding out what the individual end users of the company blog are personally typing into their search address lines will allow PON to greater refine and target those keywords and keyword phrases throughout the posted content of the PON weblog, the PON website, and all other brand touchpoints. Cindy Crum, in her ebook Mobile Marketing, Finding Your Customers No Matter Where They Are, suggests that PON should embed mobile calls to action in the form of a QR or quick response code into their product packaging. QR codes are two-dimensional imprints that can be branded onto external packaging in the form of a type of grid stamp. QR codes are an improvement over standard one-dimensional UPC barcodes because of faster read times and greater storage capacity. By placing a QR code ubiquitously throughout product packaging, PON will entice mobile platform end users to scan a copy of the QR code into their devices via their smartphone video ports. A separate landing page can then be established by PON to accept all incoming internet requests originating from the company QR code that are generated by mobile platform devices such as smartphones and tablets. In addition, both Twitter and Facebook buttons can be embedded in the HTML of the landing pages that will allow end users the capability to share targeted profile landing pages via Twitter's and Facebook's social media sharing feature. In addition, at the point of mounting, each blogger can tweet multiple invitations via multiple outlets through multiple Twitter accounts via TweetDeck, announcing another completed document title, complete with a bit.ly trackable shortened URL. PON must offer their brand to mobile platform users just as well as they do to desktop users. Here we can see an enhancement to the QR code that shows an image of the rapper Ice-T. By engaging mobile platform users at every brand touchpoint, including the company QR codes, The developers of PON will be able to establish their company as the trusted source for craft beer and craft distillate information. By establishing themselves as the content kings of craft beer and craft distillates, PON will be able to claim the higher ground of contracting with the owners and entrepreneurs of distilleries and breweries for distribution rights. In the year 2014, at the current pace, the mobile platform revolution is set to overtake the original desktop revolution in terms of gross number of Internet users. Timely location-based email and text alerts are the wave of the future. From their smartphones, end users who have expressed an interest in the brand X craft beer, for example, could be alerted via their smartphones whenever they are at or near an establishment, whether a restaurant or bar, or perhaps at a beer tasting event hosted by PON that serves the brand X craft beer. Short and simple, yet engaging taglines and subject lines are required to let the smartphone user know they are at or near an oasis of brand X. All current and future desktop landing pages must become optimized for mobile platforms, or else the end users will bounce, never to return again via their mobile devices at the least. Local search requires location, and there is no better application on the mobile internet than Google's mobile mapping program to point your end users to a specific physical location. By creatively leveraging both Pintly's mobile social tasting note application and Google's local location mapping service, PON can achieve an industry-leading first adopter position for developing events based on sampling and proximity. By offering the application over the internet via a dedicated landing page, as Pintly does, more and more end users will have the capability while traveling to be alerted via SMS whenever their GPS coordinates brush by the Wi-Fi bubbles at restaurants, microbreweries, and events that broadcast both brand awareness and specific locations for sampling. So come and get it. The mobile internet is changing how people are exposed to product offerings once again. The question you have to ask yourself is, are you getting your share? Is your company taking advantage of the exploding mobile platforms? Can you leverage what you already have invested in the internet onto a mobile framework? The answer is a resounding yes, as long as you take into consideration the various sizes of mobile phones, mobile smartphones, and mobile tablet screens. If your developers can weave and follow the expansion of tablet offerings and the evolution of smartphone frameworks, then they can also connect what you do today on the desktop platform with what you must do tomorrow via the emerging mobile internet. Please review the accompanying script and list of content picture citations at the following Google Doc URL. A permanent link to the now-mounted YouTube video of this session is located at the Author Notes section of the cover page of the aforementioned report, accessible via this link. And that's it for this session of the Keynote Script Assignment. I hope you have enjoyed our presentation, and please visit our new website hosted in the Azure cloud on the World Wide Web at smmcenter.us. Or alternatively, simply type social/media/marketing/skill/center.com into your browser address line. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.